'Cause I'm really in love with you. When I'm looking at pictures of you, I remember moments and my heart feels like new. You've been a big surprise. My soul now feels alive. And now I know the thrill to fall in love. 'Cause this is real love.
Hello guys, it's Melanie.
And I'm Sean, and welcome to our channel!
And for this video guys, pupunta kami sa Marikina.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And what do you think, Daddy?
Yes, what do you think?
Oh my God, you're gonna see Galleria?
Wala.
Okay guys, let's go!
Let's go! Let's go!
Ito yung UP campus guys. Yan, nandito lang kami sa labas. Yay! Yan yung UP siya, no?
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details, and when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie?
Nag-iisang building na malaki oh. SNDC.
And I don't
And over here at the river banks. Look around the forest pond.
We're here at the parking area. We just arrived.
And it's
Riverbanks.
this one.
Let's go, Dad.
Let's go there.
You go there, you go. Doon tayo dadaan.
Let's go inside, guys.
Hello.
We're going to the entrance.
Hi, Sean.
Hello guys, we're here at Riverbanks. First stop na ni Sean at ni Daddy.
Ito may mga damit, oh.
This would be a perfect place for me to jog.
Jog? You want to jog here?
Oh yes.
Wow, time zone is here.
Time zone.
Time zone. Happy place ni Sean. Okay, let's go, Daddy. Hey, punta ka nga dun, Sean. Sean.
Emosi pa rin.
Dali, dali. Ha? Saan? buy one take one dito. Ito ano? Ha? Medyo mainit lang dito guys. Ano ba yun, no? Ano yun? Ay, ba yan? Bakit? Hindi mo pwede yung ganyan lang siya. Hindi pwede yung ganyan lang. Kasi may pusok yan eh. Wala. You choose na siya.
Ito, Mario. Gusto mo?
Pang ano man yan, Han? Ranger?
Kabayo.
Pang kabayo.
Motor.
Sit. You can sit down there.
Ang balat ko.
This is
Meryl.
Meryl. Ito yung pang ano, Han? Ay, hindi. Ay, malambot naman to eh. Pang ano, pagpunta ka sa ice.
Sit ako.
Okay, sit down there.
Ano to?
Hindi ko alam. Walang price.
Ito.
Ayan, how much? Malambot? Pang lalaki ba to? Parang hindi pa nila.
Pambabae? Pambabae?
Pambabae yan?
Akala ko palalaki. Ito yung palalaki.
Oh, pambabae.
Pambabae pala. Ikaw mamili siya.
Hindi ko magkailangan.
Dito na sa'yo, pambabae.
Pag panglamig yan eh.
Ay, lahat na yan, pambabae.
Oh. Taka sa... Size 7. Ganito, Han. Ayaw mo, Han?
Galing mo. Si Luke. Puro na. Hindi ko ito palamig.
Uy, Sean, ba't nakahiga? Huwag ka makahiga dyan. Nakahiga na.
Pero, tigas.
Hmm? Be? Matigas yung dito.
Hindi, okay naman. Topsider. Dati na may mga topsider.
Kapit yung mas anuhan, mag-light ang mukha. Mukha masyag makapal ang mukha.
Ang Vicente. Ito, langit eh. Langit sa dalawa.
Wala daw itim?
Okay. Ito.
Did we see the movies?
Yeah.
Let's watch a movie, Mama.
Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. And I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I lick my wounds? Played this game and played the fools. Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that
Hi, Sean. What are you buying? What are you buying? He's buying fries.
I can't feel my feet. I can't feel my
Buy
legs.
kami ng fries, guys. Ito yung favorite ni Sean. So, are you happy now? You have fries, and then we will buy the kettle corn. Huh? Okay, what flavor you want? Cheese?
I wonder what flavor.
Just one ano mo? Anong flavor ito?
White po.
Assorted?
Ano po, salted tsaka ano, cheese.
How much each? How much?
5 po.
75. Ano ito yung white? Ano to?
Sweet and salted.
Pati ito 75 din.
Ano po, 125 po.
Kasi mas maliit siya. Ito. Sige, bibili kami. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa SM Marikina. Second stop. We're here at SM Marikina.
A bench.
Harry!
It's a bench. Oh,
Anong bench?
it's a bench.
Thank you. BPI. No, thank you.
Uy, chocolate.
Ice cream, gelato.
May ka?
Ay! Uy, yan na. Wala pa tayong kain. Yeah, I know. Your favorite. Bibi, din na, bibi. Yun, appliance. Andito kami kay sa SM's Marikina.
It's the mall.
And there had a ha? Yun, dito kami sa SM Appliance. Siya, makabasag ka, ha? Ito yung sa atin, ha? Purple? Di ba?
Pero ini, pwede siguro. Ganito na lang siguro ilagay. Ay, di kasya. Paano ba ito?
Ito yung nakita mo sa ano?
Oo, pero hindi kasya, oh.
Hindi nga, maliit nga. Han. Yan problema dyan.
Hindi ito. Pwede na siguro sa iba.
Ay, tabi ka dyan.
Mama,
Aha.
what are you buying? Murah naman yun.
Hindi
Let's go
pwede.
dyan.
Pati ito.
Hindi nga.
Mama,
Ano nakabuka nito, ha? Okay siya halos lahat. Tanggalin siguro lahat. 3 inches. 3 inches. Tanggalin siguro ito.
What?
your house looks like from what, 2018? Ours looks like
Our house built I mean 1998. Our house.
It was
Pwede rin.
older.
Pwede rin. Pwede siya.
Thank you. Ayan ka. Okay na. Okay ka na. Okay na. Video. Dali. Okay na. Halika na. Let's go. Aishan, ano order mo?
I'm ordering a food.
Ha?
Ordering a food. I am ordering a food. Filth. Just kidding. Bakit naman? Let me get my unbuckler. Mama. May lemon sticker. Let's see lemon. So in ice.
these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you think I licked my wounds, played this game and played the fools? Don't you think that I say la vie? Easy come and easy go. I'll go high when you go low. Don't you think that I say la vie? And I don't wanna be out of sight. The way I look fills me with fright. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right. Well, I don't wanna be on the mic with all these words that I think are right, and I'm a child of details. And when I pin it, it's heads, not tails. Don't you